Welcome back to Marie's Meditations. Today's meditation is all about gratitude. Gratitude is a simple yet powerful practice of appreciating the good in our lives. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, opening our hearts to joy, peace and connection. When we pause to acknowledge the beauty around us, the warmth of the sun, the kindness of a friend, or the steady rhythm of our breath, we cultivate a sense of deep contentment. Gratitude isn't just about the big moments. It's about finding magic in the everyday. By practicing gratitude daily, we invite more positivity into our lives. It helps us navigate challenges with grace, strengthens our relationships, and brings a sense of peace to our hearts. As we begin this meditation, take a moment to reflect. What are you grateful for right now? Take a minute to think about it. And let's step into this moment together with gratitude as our guide. Finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit, rest your hands gently in your lap or place one hand over your heart. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in and exhale softly. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath moving in and out. Notice the stillness around you. The world is waking up and so are you. Take a deep inhale, filling your lungs completely, and a long, slow exhale, releasing any tension. Now place your hand over your heart. Feel its steady, quiet beat, a reminder that you are alive, that today is a new gift. Gently say to yourself, I am here, I am present, I am grateful for this new beginning. Imagine a warm golden light above you, soft, radiant, peaceful. With each inhale, this light gently flows into you, filling your heart with warmth. With each exhale, it expands outward, surrounding you with calm gratitude. Feel this light reaching every part of you, filling you with appreciation for the air in your lungs, the heart that beats within you, the gift of this brand new day, full of possibility. Now bring to mind 3 things you're grateful for today. Let them arise naturally, big or small, simple or profound. Maybe it's the love of someone, the quiet beauty of the morning, afternoon or evening, whatever time of the day it is for you. The chance to begin again. Let each thought of gratitude settle in your heart and fill you with warmth and joy. And silently say to yourself or out loud, thank you for this life. Thank you for this day. And thank you for all that is and all that was and all that will be. Now set your intention for the day. I want you to think of an intention that you can repeat silently or out loud. I move forward with gratitude, ease and peace. I choose to see beauty, kindness and joy around me. My heart is open to everyone and everything. Now take a final deep breath in and exhale with a soft smile. Gently wiggle your fingers and shoulders and toes and bring yourself back, bring your awareness back to the present. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for being here. Gratitude is all around us and inside of us. Have a wonderful day.